good evening. Oh, good afternoon. Ayan guys, tuloy po natin yung pagluluto ko ng gulay. Ayan po. Ayan. Andun na po, hinahalo ko na siya. Ayan guys. Ito ang ulam ko ngayong gabi, gulay. Ilagay natin yung additional na water. Ayan, para maluto siya. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching. Part 2 po ito ng niluluto ko ngayong gabi. Nabusan po tayo kanina ng minutes. Ayan guys. Kulo na siya. Dinner. Vegetable. Cooking vegetable for dinner. Ayan guys. Kulo na siya. Ayan. Thank you for watching.
Very good. Like you should not do that is why he changes to this. Help your son. Because he should
Okay, so
not say I am here to learn from.
malapot po yung sabaw. Yummy.
Very good.
Thank you so much po. Yan ang ulam ko ngayong gabi, sari-sari po. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.